Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set PIN pattern password in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find here something say security. After click over security, we're going to find here something say skin lock. After click over skin lock, we're going to see there's a bunch of options to set PIN pattern password to make or protect your phone. For example, I would like to set pattern. After click over pattern, it's going to give you to set lock skin pattern. So I'm going to add my pattern, and you can add any pattern. I'm going to add my favorite pattern, easy to remember, and I'm going to click here next. And then I'm going to add the same pattern again, and then I'm going to click here confirm. After set on lock sequence, it's going to give you how do you want to lock skin to display. You can make here show all notification content or shows sensitive content only when unlocked. I'm going to keep as it is. You can choose any of them. And let me make here done. After done successfully, let me go back and let me try to lock my phone and let me try to unlock. You can see now it's going to say draw the pattern. Without draw pattern, it's not going to be unlocked. So I'm going to draw my favorite pattern, and after that this is going to be very fastly and very smoothly unlocked. You can see I'm just going to try to draw the pattern and it's going to be unlocked. Now you might be decide to set PIN. Let me share to how you can set PIN. Same things, you need to go here in phone your settings section. After click over settings section, we're going to find click here security. After click over security, we're going to click here skin lock. After click over skin lock, this time this will ask you to confirm your pattern. That like this is you are the one on the device, so you have to draw the pattern to go over the other setup section. For example, I would like to set PIN, so I'm going to choose the PIN, and so it's saying to set skin lock. So I'm going to type here, almost it must be minimum 4 digits. So I'm going to type here, you can choose any number, but for me to easy to understand or easy to remember, I'm going to type here 4444. And then I'm going to click on next, and then you have to type re-enter your PIN. Same PIN you have to re-enter to same PIN you have to re-enter, and then you need to click here confirm. Obviously you need to remember before you type the PIN. Let me go back and let me try to unlock my device. Now you can see each time it's saying to set the PIN. So I'm going to type my PIN. So and then I'm going to click here this next button. So this is how you can easily set PIN pattern password in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.